Welcome to our lesson 2 of African drum with singing. Today, we are going to continue with our song Silang Mabele. I hope you guys still remember our drum beats. Our second verse is gonna go like this. Mabele, 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 mabele. So we are going to try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mabele, 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 mabele. Now we are going to sing it while playing the African drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mabele, 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 we are going to try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mabele, 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 This is the end of our lesson 2 of African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.